Good morning, friends. I am Suraj Agrawal, and you are watching your favorite YouTube channel, Gardening is My Passion. Friends, today I am visiting Kolkata's biggest roadside nursery, that is Galiff Street, and you can see hundreds of nursery people are selling lots of variety, every kind of things you can get here. I tell you, this is only Sunday. The market opens early in the morning, around 6 o'clock in the morning, early in the morning, only in Sunday, and closes at 6 to 7 p.m. And this is beside Syam Bazar, Panch Matar More, or Kolkata station or Chitpur station. This is a road around 2 kilometers long, and every kind of nursery thing, every kind of thing you can buy. This is passion flower you can see in pot and all machan system, and different types of bulbs you can get here. I'll show you everything what you can get here in which prices also sometimes. And here the gladiolus bulbs and some tube rose bulbs and different types of lily bulbs are available here. And you can see all kinds of permanent flowering plants. You can see passion flower, and the passion flower in machan you can get here in 250 rupees. This is machan and this is permanent plant, and the one of the finest plant, one of the beautiest plant on earth. This is the Krishna Kamal plant or passion flower. So beautiful. If you want, you can propagate through cutting or propagation also. And I'll show you the everything that are available. But since the market is very long, so I'll make some small pieces of video here around 5 inch, 5 minutes on every kind of sprayer you can see. You can get here every kind of sprayer, every kind of permanent plant, foliage plant, flowering plant, pots, fertilizers, every kinds of medicines. And you can see this is some of the tropical or hibiscus or some Australian hibiscus, American hibiscus, around 100 to 150 rupees you can get it tropical or American hibiscus. And if you want desi Indian variety, you can get it in 50 rupees only. So I'll show you some of the hibiscus variety. So excellent hibiscus variety you can get here, around 1 foot tall these plants. And you can see lots of flowers. So you can identify the plants with this flower color, and after that you can buy here. And I'll certainly buy some of the plants from here, and I'll propagate it in my home, and then I will upload a video also. And besides there, lots of roses plants, every kinds of plants here. Rose plants are also available, though in winter season is the best for buying rose plants. But in around 50 to 60 rupees you can get rose plants from here. So if you want best quality of rose plants, you can get in 100 rupees. You can get best quality of roses here. So different types of fertilizers, every kind of manures, every kind of gardening things, tools, every kind of medicines you can get here. And I'll tell you every kind of foliage plant, flowering plant, fruiting plants, fruit plant also. Different types of fruit plants also available here. Very long market, around 2 kilometer long. And but only thing is that it opens only on Sundays, not on other weekdays. And I'll show you the some of the plants here: bella, belly, some of this jasmine rose, different types of Arabian jasmine, and coleus. You can see different types of coleus. 50 rupees only. You can buy 50 rupees or 60 rupees coleus plant, big size plants. If you want, you can easily propagate in your home. The coleus is the best, the easiest to propagate. So in any way you can grow and propagate different types. And here this is very early in the morning, in around 7 o'clock the shops are opening now. So after 1 hour that will be very big crowd here, and every kinds of pots, be it a plastic pot or all kinds of different types of earthen pot, some clay pots, every kinds of pots are available here. And all kinds of cactus, succulents also available here. All kinds of medicine also available here. You can see the plant medicine, different types of pesticide, insecticide, herbicide, all kinds of things available. Coco peat brick also available. Utensils, tools, gardening tools, every kind of spare also available here. So if you visit on Sundays from 6 a.m. to early up to 6 p.m., you can get every kind of manure, fertilizer, and you can see rice husk, coco peat, vermicompost, cow dung compost, some of this chemical fertilizer, potash, urea, some all charcoal, every kind of gardening things, whatever you can think of, you can buy here. Just visit here and is very near to Siam Bazaar, 5 mat or more. So if you visit here, you can buy lots of variety. If you want in some wholesale prices also you can get. But this is basically retail market, and here different types of pet markets also available are nearby. Some pet markets, some birds market. This is Rangan or Rugmini Ixora, dwarf Ixora. You can get. You can see the varieties. Some dwarf or tall variety of Ixora also available. So I'll upload some video next day. Some you can see the things here, and here some you can see jade plant, different types of snake plants, some agave or all kinds of snake plants available here. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you at all like the, please give it